Hello everyone. Product Invoice History app helps user to get an history of the previous bill and also the customer invoices of the related vendor and the customer product. This module will helps to minimize time to check and previous invoice bill history of the users. User will get an history details of the previous bill and the invoice for the selected product. Now let's get into the sales where we can see an already created one. So let's get into the one of the sales order which we have created. Now from here in this page user needs to click on an H, that is history icon, which is available here to get into the history of the previous invoice with the same customer and the same product. Now let's get into the product. Here Here in this product form page, user can see the customer invoice history as well as the vendor bill histories right away there in the product form page. Now let's get into the purchase. Like the same way, you can see these are the purchase orders which are created. So from here, let's get into the history icon which is available here in the purchase order. It will show all the history of the bill with a same vendor as well as the same product. And also user can see the history on the product form page. So let's get into that, where you can see an vendor bill history right away there in the product. In this way we can make use of this module to see the history of the previous vendor bill and the customer invoices of the related vendor and the customer products in the sales, purchase as well as in the product form page. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates.